The more you share your life publicly, the more people feel the need to judge you. It's not always personal, it's just how the world works. When others see your journey, they form opinions, and not all of them will be kind. But there's a better way. Disappear, go silent, and focus on yourself. When no one's watching, there's less pressure, fewer distractions, and more room to grow. And when you finally come back, the results will speak louder than anything you could have said along the way. Let's break this down into 5 clear steps to master the silent transformation. Step 1. Stop oversharing. If you're serious about changing your life, the first thing to do is stop talking about it. Don't tell people your goals, your problems, or your plans. Not your friends, not coworkers, not even family, unless it's your partner and they fully support you. It's tempting to share, but sharing too much weakens your drive. Every time you talk, you give away a little bit of energy. Keep that energy for yourself. Silence gives you power. When people don't know what you're up to, they can't judge you, distract you, or bring you down. You stay focused. You stay in control. Step 2. Care only about your own opinion. Stop living for likes, praise, or approval. Most people don't care as much as you think, and even if they do, their opinion shouldn't shape your life. Instead, imagine your future self, the version of you you're trying to become. Ask yourself, would they respect how I'm spending my time today? If the answer is no, change it. This mindset puts you back in control. You stop living for others and start living for the person you want to become. That's real growth. Step 3. Keep your plans a secret. As you grow, ideas and goals will get bigger, and you'll feel excited to talk about them. But don't. Think of your plans like a secret recipe. The more people know, the more they mess it up. Here's a simple rule. Every time you talk about a goal, imagine losing 5% of the energy you could have used to achieve it. Only share when absolutely necessary, and even then, say less, do more. Step 4. Keep your progress private. You'll start to see results, maybe a better body, more money, or new skills. That's great. But don't rush to post about it or tell people. Why? Because progress is fragile. If you start showing off too soon, it can mess with your focus. The praise might feel good, but it can also slow you down or make you too comfortable. Instead of sharing, let your success keep pushing you. Stay locked in. Keep evolving. The real win isn't showing others, it's knowing you're becoming better, even if no one else sees it yet. Step 5. Keep your struggles quiet. This silent path isn't easy. You'll feel tired, you'll face setbacks, you'll want to quit, and you'll want to talk to someone, maybe complain or vent. But here's the truth. The strongest people learn to suffer in silence. Cry if you have to. Break down, but do it privately. Then get back up and keep moving. That pain, it's building you. It's shaping the strongest version of you. Don't run from it. Use it. Struggle isn't the end, it's the beginning of your rise. Now let's talk about transformation. Silence gives you space. But how do you actually use that space to transform? Here's a 3-step formula. Step 1. Choose your destination. You can't change your life if you don't know where you're going. Be clear about what you want. Is it a strong body? A business? Peace of mind? Don't just say, I want to improve. Say, I want this. And know what this looks like in detail. Without a clear goal, you'll drift. But with it, every day becomes a step in the right direction. Step 2. Build your life around that goal. Don't just fit your goal into your life. Build your life around it. That means creating routines, choosing the right environment, and cutting out distractions. Be obsessed. Be focused. This isn't about balance, it's about purpose. If your goal is fitness, eat clean and live near a gym. If your goal is learning, spend time with mentors and books. Every choice should lead you closer to your destination. Don't waste energy on things that don't matter. Step 3. Rewire how you think. You have to enjoy the process, even if no one sees it. Find joy in progress, not praise. Learn to love working hard when no one's clapping. Train your brain to value growth over recognition. That's when you truly change. Eventually, you won't need validation. You'll be proud of yourself for who you've become. not for who notices you. You'll be someone who grows in silence, someone who gets better every day. And when you return to the spotlight, you'll be unstoppable. Final words. Disappearing isn't about hiding. It's about focusing. It's about leaving the noise behind so you can rise without limits. Work in silence. Grow in the shadows. Struggle quietly. And when you're ready to come back, let your transformation do the talking.